Solve the triangle having the side C equals to 1.732. Angle A measure that is given as 23 degrees 16 minutes and angle B measure that's given as 20 degrees and 3 minutes. Let us begin. So first what we do, we note down everything that is being provided to us. So here we are given the side C. So that means we have a triangle ABC. Side C is given as 1.732 units. Then we have the measure of angle A. Angle A measure is given as 23 degrees and 16 minutes. So let's do one thing. Let's convert this minutes into degrees. So we know that 60 minutes that corresponds to 1 degrees, which means that 1 minute is going to be equals to 1 over 60 degrees. Now in our case we have 16 minutes. So 16 minutes is simply going to be 16 over 60 degrees. So when we take this ratio, when we divide 16 with 60, so that is going to give us approximately 0.267 degrees. That means 16 minutes is approximately 0.267 degrees, which means our angle measure A is also going to be approximately 23.267 degrees. Let's call it approximately. So this is the angle measure of A. Similarly, we can find out the angle measure of B. The angle measure of B that is given as 20 degrees and 3 minutes. So 3 minutes, when we convert it to degrees, that is going to be 3 over 60 degrees. Now that is going to be equals to approximately 0.05, which means that angle measure of B comes out to be 20.05 degrees. Right? Now our goal would be to find out the remaining angle and the remaining sides. Now before going to the side, we can find out the third angle, which is the angle C, because we know that angle A plus angle B plus angle C, that's equals to 180 degrees. So this implies that the third angle C that must be equals to 180 degrees minus angle A added to angle B. So we have the value of angle A and angle B. So we'll substitute it here. This is going to give us the measure of C. So C comes out to be approximately 136.683 degrees. So we're going to use this value 136.683. But anyways, what we can do here is we can also convert this 0.683 into minutes, because here we know that 1 degree that corresponds to 60 minutes. This means for every degree we have 60 minutes. So for 0.683 degrees, when we convert it to minutes, that is simply going to be 0.683 multiplied to 60, and it gets converted to minutes, and this is going to give us 40.98 minutes. Or what we can do, we can approximately consider it to be 41 minutes. So in other words, angle C measure that comes out to be 136 degrees and 41 minutes. Okay, however, we're going to take the help of this particular value when we will be finding out the value of the other side. Now let's try to understand the problem graphically. So here we have the triangle ABC. The angle measure of A, B and C are known. Now it's given here the side C is 1.732. Side C means it's the side that is opposite to angle C. So here we are going to denote AB, the side AB, as the letter C in lowercase. So that is given here as 1.732. That is the measure of the side AB. Now the side that is opposite to angle A, which is BC here, we're going to denote it by the letter A in lowercase, and the third side AC, which is the side opposite to angle B, we're going to denote it by the letter B in lowercase. Our next task will be to find out the side measure of A and B. Now to do that, we are going to take the help of the law of sines. The law of sines simply states that if we know the side ABC of a triangle and also the angle measure of A, B and C, then the ratio of A to that of sine of the angle opposite to it, which is A, is going to be equals to the ratio of B to that of sine B, and also equals to the ratio of C to that of sine C. Okay, let's use this. Now here in our problem, we are being provided with the value of the side C. So what we'll do, we're going to keep the third ratio as fixed, which means that we can get to equation here. So we have 1 over sine of angle A, that is going to be equals to C over sine of angle C, and we have P over sine of angle P, so that is going to be equals to C over sine of angle C. Okay, fine. So here A, that is going to be equals to C times sine of angle A over sine of angle C. And then B, it's going to be equals to C times sine of angle B over sine of angle C. Fine. So let's use our value. So C, that is 1.732 multiplied to sine of angle A. So what is angle A here? 23.267 whole divided by, we need sine of angle C. So angle C, that is 136.683 degrees. Okay, we'll compute the value in the next step, but let's also find out B. B is going to be equals to 1.732, replacing C with its value, times sine of the angle B. So angle B, that's 20.05 degrees whole divided by, we need sine of angle C. So angle C, that is 136.683 degrees. So we're going to plug this value into a calculator, and that's going to give us the value of A and B. So A comes out to be approximately 0.997, and the value of B, that comes out to be approximately 0.866. So this is going to be the value of A and B. So here we have successfully obtained everything. So thus the side A has a length of 0.997 units. B has a measure of 0.866 units. And then we have angle C. So angle C came out to be 136.683 degrees. Or what we can do, we can convert it to minutes. We have 136 degrees and 41 minutes.